Sceptre monitors offer excellent value, but their default settings often don't showcase their full potential. With proper calibration, these budget-friendly displays can achieve professional-grade image quality. Start by accessing your monitor's on-screen display menu using the menu button on your monitor. Navigate to the picture settings where you'll find the key calibration options. The most critical adjustment is color temperature. Sceptre monitors typically ship at 9300K, which appears too cool and blue. Adjust this to 6500K for general use or 5000K for print work through picture, color temperature, then user or custom settings. Next, correct the gamma setting. Sceptre monitors often default to 2.0, but you should set it to 2.2 for Windows or 2.4 for Mac systems. Access this through Picture, Advanced, then Gamma. Proper gamma ensures correct brightness distribution across the image. Finally, optimize your brightness level. Set it between 120 to 140 candelas per square meter for comfortable viewing in office environments. This setting reduces eye strain during long work sessions and can be adjusted under Picture, then Brightness. These simple adjustments will dramatically improve your Sceptre monitor's performance. You'll see significantly better color accuracy, improved image quality, reduced eye strain, and an overall professional-grade visual experience. The entire calibration process takes just 15 to 20 minutes, but makes a world of difference. For precise color accuracy, hardware calibration tools are essential. Professional colorimeters like the Spider X Pro and X-Rite i1 Display Studio can dramatically improve your monitor's color performance. For gaming, enable game mode to reduce input lag to under 10 milliseconds. Set your refresh rate to the maximum supported, up to 165 Hz on newer Sceptre models. Increase color saturation to 110% for enhanced visibility in competitive games. If your Sceptre monitor supports AMD FreeSync Premium, enable this feature for smoother gameplay with reduced screen tearing and stuttering. This technology synchronizes your graphics card with the monitor's refresh rate. For content creation, activate sRGB mode for web content and general design work. Professional photo editors should use Adobe RGB mode if supported. These color spaces ensure accurate color reproduction for your creative projects. With proper calibration, your Sceptre monitor can achieve up to 90% of premium display performance at a fraction of the cost. These optimizations transform budget monitors into professional-grade displays suitable for gaming, content creation, and professional work.